Okay, Riley, we want to show you something that we found, okay?
What is it?
Come on.
Follow Daddy. Follow Daddy. It's not scary. It's very cool. Look in that bird's nest. What is
Make sure
inside?
Mama wasn't in there and we didn't get attacked.
What's inside that bird's nest?
Come here. Lean
Little
over here.
bitty bird
Come over here.
eggs. We're going to have baby birds in Mommy's plant.
Come over here so you can see the eggs.
Do you see?
I know. I'm telling you to come over here.
Do you see them?
No, look right here.
Look inside there. There's little white eggs.
Come right here.
You got to turn your head that way. Look, no, turn your head this way.
And
But
look right
do you see the
there.
little white eggs down?
How many's in there? I didn't count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5.
Wow, we're going to have baby birdies.
I just hope we can have them as our pets.
They're wild, buddy. We can't have wild birds.
Yeah, their mommy will take care of them and then they'll fly away. But baby birdies, as long as we can keep the cats away from them. Isn't that cool?
Mhm. I honestly kind of thought it would be like a cat in a box with
You got-
ankles.
Well, we probably won't see a cat. He's following me.
Well, a dog.
And we're going to document Mickey. Or is it Minnie?
I was gonna buy a different bow for every season, so let's make it Minnie,
Okay, Minnie,
and we'll put a different bow
on her growth.
on her head.
We bought her at Epcot in May.
Florida.
It is still May.
Yes, it is in still May. So Riley, how much fun did you have at Disney?
Not so much, but a lot.
You didn't like the rides, but you loved the characters?
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell us about your experience with Star Wars. What happened to you? The stormtroopers, what did they do?
They escorted me to Kylo Ren.
Ah, and what did Kylo tell you? He tried to do what? Get you to join the...
Dark side.
Wow. Was that cool or scary or nervous? What was it?
Very nervous.
Very nervous. What about meeting some more of the other characters? Which was your favorite character to meet? You met so many. Which ones were your favorites?
Mickey, Minnie, well, first Chewbacca.
Chewbacca was cool. I loved that.
Second BB-8.
Mm-hmm.
Third Mickey and Minnie. And
What about the Toy Story characters? Were any of them cool?
yeah,
Who all
Which
did you
ones?
meet?
Who'd you meet from Toy Story?
Buzz, Woody, Jesse, and yeah. Anyways,
So what was your very favorite part about Disney? And then we'll end this.
meeting the characters. Hey, can I take a video of me playing Fortnite?
Maybe in just a minute. Let's finish this video first.
Okay.